In a multi-lane roundabout or traffic circle, traffic in outside lanes must yield to traffic in the inside lanes. Traffic entering the roundabout must yield to traffic in the roundabout, both inside and outside lanes. When you intend to exit at the first available exit, approach the roundabout using the right lane. Use your right turn signal when in the roundabout until you have exited the roundabout. Scan for pedestrians and cyclists at crosswalks and at the entrance and exits of the roundabout. Exit the roundabout using the right lane. When you intend to leave the second exit or farther exits, activate your turn signal to communicate that you do not plan to use the first exit. If there are 2 lanes, approach the roundabout using the left lane. Scan for pedestrians and cyclists at crosswalks and at the entrance and exits of the roundabout. Exit the roundabout using the left lane. When you exit from the left lane, use your turn signal after you pass the exit that is the last one before the exit you will use. Check for traffic in the right lane that may be continuing around the roundabout. Look ahead for pedestrians at the crosswalk you will be exiting. Exit the roundabout using the left lane if 2 lanes. If you cannot stop or exit safely, stay in your lane and travel around the roundabout again. Important notes: the driver using the left lane must activate the right signal when preparing to exit. Use caution when leaving the roundabout and crossing through the right, outside, lane. Do not change lanes in the roundabout. Vision 0. Be a Trubie hero.